Hi, thanks so much for watching Realz product review. I just received a coupon to try out a new product and I wanted to share that with you. I've never tried it before. It is Haven's Kitchen. It comes in a variety of different sauces and they're fresh sauces, so you're going to find this in the refrigerated aisle. I got this from Whole Foods, but I know Target and a few other places sell it as well. So if you go to Haven's Kitchen's website, if you put in your location, it'll tell you stores that sell it. So I got red pepper romesco and I'm excited to try this over some pasta. The great thing about it is it's fresh. So there's peppers in here, water, salt, extra virgin olive oil, roasted almonds, white wine vinegar, roasted garlic, smoked paprika, sea salt, crushed peppers, and Caribbean chili peppers. So there's nothing artificial in here, so it's all natural ingredients. This has 9 servings in here, 35 calories a serving, so it's not super loaded up. Only 1 gram of sugar, so there's no added sugars like some of those other sauces. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm going to be putting this over some pasta. I did chop up some of my own peppers and onions. I'm going to grill this up, throw in some of the sauce, throw it over some pasta, and try it out. I will let you know what it tastes like as soon as I'm done cooking it. So I just got done cooking my pasta and making the sauce. It was really quick, just had to grill up my veggies, poured it over, heated it up, and now I have it over my pasta. So let's give it a little swirl. That definitely does taste fresh. That's very delicious. I can taste the peppers in the sauce. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like a hummus pepper, like that flavoring, but doesn't taste like hummus, but something you could dip your bread in. So if you go to one of those like Italian type restaurants where you dip your bread in a sauce, it would be like that peppery tomatoey sauce. It's really good. So I made myself actually a bowl, and then I have 2 extras. So it did make a decent amount. I could make for 3 servings. So depending on how you make it, it says you could do it as a dunk, so with veggies and fries, bread as well, just like I talked about. You could spread it on your sandwiches. You could marinate meat or veggies in it before you roast it, or you could make it into a topping like I just did for my pasta. So many different ways to make it. So if you are looking for a fresh sauce without the preservatives, without the added things that you don't want in there, 35 calories, 1 gram of sugar per serving, so all the things that you can pronounce are in the ingredients on the back. This is Haven's Kitchen, so give it a try.